Living in Kendall, Florida, comes with the perks of sunny weather and tropical breezes. However, the region's proximity to the coast also makes it vulnerable to severe weather, including hurricanes and tropical storms. Protecting your home from these natural threats is essential, and impact windows are one of the most effective ways to safeguard your property. Here's how impact windows provide unmatched protection during severe weather and why they are a must-have for Kendall homeowners. What are impact windows? Impact windows, often called hurricane windows, are specially engineered to withstand high winds and flying debris. They are constructed with multiple layers of durable glass bonded with an interlayer, such as polyvinyl butyryl, PVB, or ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA. This design ensures the window stays intact even if the glass is struck or damaged. Unlike standard windows, which can shatter into dangerous shards, impact windows remain sealed, reducing the risk of injury and protecting your home from additional damage caused by wind or water infiltration. Withstanding hurricane-force winds. Kendall's location in a hurricane-prone region means homes must be equipped to handle extreme weather conditions. Impact windows are rigorously tested to meet or exceed Florida's stringent building codes, including withstanding wind speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. These windows are designed to resist the intense pressure changes caused by hurricanes, preventing them from blowing out and exposing your home to further damage. This level of protection is crucial during storms, where even a single breached window can lead to catastrophic interior damage. Blocking flying debris. One of the biggest dangers during hurricanes and severe storms is flying debris. Broken tree branches, roof tiles, and other objects can become projectiles, striking your home with incredible force. Impact windows are built to absorb these impacts without shattering. The glass may crack upon impact, but the interlayer keeps it intact, maintaining the window's structural integrity. This prevents debris from entering your home and causing harm to occupants or damaging your interior. Preventing water intrusion. Hurricanes and tropical storms often bring heavy rainfall, and broken windows can allow water to pour into your home. Water intrusion not only damages floors, walls, and furniture but can also lead to long-term issues like mold growth. Impact windows feature tight seals and reinforced frames that prevent water from seeping through, even under extreme conditions. By keeping water out, these windows help maintain your home's structural integrity and prevent costly repairs. Maintaining the pressure barrier. During severe storms, maintaining the pressure inside your home is critical. A broken window can cause a sudden pressure shift, leading to structural damage like roof uplift or wall collapse. Impact windows are designed to stay in place during high-pressure events, keeping the internal pressure stable. This helps protect your home's overall structure and reduces the risk of catastrophic damage during a storm. Enhancing year-round protection. While impact windows are invaluable during hurricane season, their benefits extend beyond storm protection. These windows provide year-round advantages, including UV protection, blocking harmful UV rays that can fade furniture and flooring. Noise reduction, minimizing outdoor noise for a more peaceful home environment. Increased security, acting as a deterrent against break-ins due to their robust construction. For Kendall homeowners, these added benefits make Impact Windows a versatile and valuable investment. The importance of professional installation. To fully benefit from Impact Windows, proper installation is essential. Poorly installed windows may not perform as intended during severe weather, leaving your home vulnerable. Working with a trusted professional in Kendall ensures your windows are securely fitted and comply with local building codes. Professional installers can also help you choose the right Impact Windows for your needs, taking into account factors like your home's design, budget, and specific storm protection requirements. Peace of mind during storm season and hurricane season can be stressful for Kendall homeowners, but Impact Windows provide peace of mind knowing your home is protected. With their ability to withstand high winds, block debris, and prevent water intrusion, these windows are a reliable barrier between your family and the elements. A smart investment for Kendall homes. Investing in Impact Windows is more than just a precaution. It's a way to enhance your home's safety, durability, and value. Their robust design, combined with aesthetic appeal and year-round benefits, makes them an essential feature for any Kendall home. If you're ready to upgrade your home's storm protection, contact a trusted Impact Window provider in Kendall today. With professional installation and high-quality products, you can enjoy peace of mind and superior protection, no matter what the weather brings.